regarding redressal of grievance of the citizens, namely Duare Sarkar, and he approached in the December 2000 connection from 2020. However, due to outstanding amount, it was disconnected. Now, the state of West Bengal launched a program regarding redressal of grievance of the citizens, namely Duare Sarkar, and he approached in the December 2022. Uh, there, it was given an opportunity that if he makes a payment of rupees 62,055, then it will be a one-time waiver scheme. And accordingly, he made a payment on 27th December. It will be at page 19, my lord. Accordingly, he made a payment of 62,055 and reconnection was given to him. Lordship, the receipt of the reconnection is at page 22, Lordship. Subsequently, a new meter connection was given to him and reading was taken on 31st March 2024. And in that meter reading, it was shown that 2,452 units have been consumed by him. However, the bill that was sent to him, it is at page 23. There also it says that there is still an outstanding amount of rupees 1,07,000 1,07,177, my lord. And this is from May 2019 to March 2021, May 2021 to January 2022, and March 24. That was done. This reconnection was given to me in 2023 itself after giving this amount, my lord. However, while sending this bill, it has been shown that this amount of outstanding is from 2019 itself. However, the payment was made in December 2022, my lord.
Where are the dates
My
mentioned?
lord, in the bill at the paragraph at the bottom stage, last 4 lines, it shows that
Page 24.
page 23, my lord. It's a
Okay.
bill that was sent to the
Yes, 24 is the bill.
24 is the representative.
No.
Lordship, the last 4 lines of the paragraph
Last
at the
4
bottom.
lines.
Yes.
Last payment details.
Details was just the
62,000
previous line, my lord. Outstandings.
outstanding.
Yes, ma'am.
Rupees
1,06,767 for the
Right.
period
Yes,
May
May 19,
2019 to
March
March
21.
2021, May
May
2021 to January 2022, March 2000. Regarding this March 2024, I have no grievance. However, the amount that was already deposited for in the year 2022 was the outstanding amount and was like an one-time
One-time.
waiver scheme, my lord, and that was already paid. But even after that,
1 minute.
my lord,
Page 22 is the
this is the reconnection.
yes. You are requested to deposit rupees 62,000 and get the benefit of one-time
120.
waiver scheme.
Yes, my lord.
Right?
Yes,
Is
my lord.
there any period mention for which the waiver scheme will be applicable?
Lordship, this
Amount
document
projected.
itself is an undated document because this document was given to the petitioner itself when on the date of the payment of this 62,055.
All right.
And that payment was made on 27. It is at page 19, my lord.
Page 19, 62,055.
Yes. If your lordship kindly sees
Where
that
do I get the period? Is the meter same?
no,
Separate meter?
separate me. I was given a new meter and I am not aggrieved by the bill that has been raised in 2024.
When did you get the new meter?
I got it on 25th January 2023, my lord.
If the meter is given in 23, how can payment be outstanding from 2019?
My lord, the payment was made in 2022 December since there was an outstanding.
But that was for a different meter.
For a different meter, my lord.
Then why will in this meter,
my lord,
payment be outstanding from May 2019?
Yes, from 2019 for this meter, my lord.
How can it be?
That was the question, my lord, that I was also putting to myself. And again, the meter was disconnected. The new meter connection that was given.
Give me the meter number.
Yes, my lord. The meter number is The new meter number is XL020766.
Where do I get
Lordship, it is
that?
in my representation, which is at page 24.
Why page 24 meter number should be written? Is it not there? Consumer tariff longitude meter number, yes, XL020766.
Yes, my lord.
Right.
Yes, my lord.
And the previous one,
Yes,
where you made the payment in the one-time scheme,
Lordship.
is the meter number written? Customer ID is there. Meter number is not there. Well, let me hear. Yes.
Lordship, one indulgence. At page 23, which was the bill, there the meter number was given.
Given.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 23.
Earlier meter number was Lordship RS
Page 24 is the bill. The meter number is there.
Yes, that was given as XL020766, my lord. This is my new meter. And in this bill itself, it has been stated that there is an outstanding of from 2000.
I want to know,
my lord.
Page 22 is the receipt or the one-time benefit. This is
So
in respect of
this is for the
meter?
reconnection, my lord.
For which meter?
For the new meter, that is XL020766, that I have mentioned in my representation itself. That was the new connection that was given to me after I made the payment of rupees 62,000.
Meter remains the same.
No, the
Meter
meter
changes.
Yes. My previous meter number is different. This is a new meter number. When I made this payment for one-time waiver, they told me to make an additional payment of 100 rupees to get a new connection. That was made to them. They gave me the connection.
What happened to the old connection?
That was taken off, because since that was a one-time waiver scheme and a new connection was given. And in this bill itself, where the new connection has been given, it has been shown that I have an outstanding.
No, you are making something different.
Okay, I want to clarify, my lord. New connection cannot be given in that way because
Yes.
somebody is enjoying electricity,
Right.
not paid, line disconnected.
A reconnection can be given.
Reconnection replacement could be done by replacing. It's not a new connection. That is one aspect. But so far as grievance is concerned, my lord, he wants bills are arbitrary, illegal, or inflated, whatever it is the crux or gist of his submission, what I have understood.
No, what he says is that despite making payments in the one-time waiver scheme, the same amount has been. This is what he has submitted.
Lord, I don't like to take much time on this because I want to go to the point, because he wants the bills are illegal or irregular or faulty. This is some substance of his submission. If that be so, that cannot be resolved in this petition by hearing him or myself. Number one.
And the GRO is there.
That is the crux of the matter. Now I come to the point. Now the thing is this: his supply, he was enjoying STW connection, salute tube well connection. That was continuing for long period. There was accumulation of rupees lordship 2,16,446. That was accumulated, my lord.
Whatever. Now it has to go to the GRO.
Up to 30, yes. That is the only relief he can enjoy. Now thing is my lord, up to 31st December 18, total accumulation was 2,18,446, and line was disconnected thereafter on 27/12/2022, and he paid only 66,000. Now he is taking a plea that is in the waiver scheme against 30 lakhs or 2 lakhs something. He has paid 62, therefore it is waived. I don't find any support so far as this submission is concerned. This cannot be against 3 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs. I will pay 66 lakhs and it will be waived. There must be some period from this period to this period. If this is the due,
this is what I was trying to inquire.
It is not there, and these pages he has not supplied because I am having up to my lord 18 and 25. These the in between pages are not with me. Be that as even I am not asking also. Thereafter, my lord, what happened? His line was disconnected. Then we received 66,000. What he said is correct, but this is the waive. This is the total payment.
Waiver.
No such support. Then, my lord, what happened? Connection was given. Then we find that he was enjoying electricity. Then all on a sudden, my lord, we found he is not operating his STW salute well connection. That was invented by us by making an inspection on my lord. We made this inspection on my lord 3rd March 24. We
Now
found
he has to approach the GRO.
that's the only remedy, because this billing dispute, all this can be verified, inspection could be made, meters
May I
can
make
be,
a humble submission?
meters can be examined, and my lord, he can have some relief.
Just for one clarification.
Here only I
After
say-
filing of this writ petition, we received another bill, which was given under the meter number that was given to me as a new connection. In that bill itself, it has been said this has been given after 2022. In there also, it has been stated that there is an outstanding, and that outstanding is from July 2019. A connection that has been given in 2022 after making of that payment with a new meter. It shows. May I just show to
Don't
you?
show, I have followed it. Please come.
That's the only remedy, my lord, he can ask
The
for.
petitioner is aggrieved by the
Okay.
bill raised.
And my
The
lord, one
bill-
more addition, lordship, kindly allow me. He can have his line restored or regular, subject to payment of the amount without prejudice. What RGR will decide. But if he wants to have his line regular in a regular manner, without prejudice, our last claim is, lordship, this amount is 1,47,332 plus LPS, late payment surcharge.
The petitioner is aggrieved by the bill raised by WBSEDCL for consumption of electricity for running submersible pump. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner has raised objection before the due to non-payment of the billed amount, the electricity line of the petitioner has been disconnected. Stop. Representation has been made before the station manager and the divisional manager. Stop. Paragraph. Leave is granted to the petitioner to make comprehensive representation annexing all documents in support of his stand before the regional grievance officer, before the grievance redressal officer, before the concerned grievance redressal officer. Stop. In the event such representation is made, the same shall be considered by the authority in accordance with law at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of making such communication. Stop.
Not communication, lordship, representation.
Representation. Paragraph. It will be open for the petitioner to deposit the billed amount without prejudice to his rights and contentions in the event he intends to obtain immediate reconnection of electricity.
Reconnection and regularization of his connection.
Reconnection and regularization of his connection.
Lordship.
Disposed.
Grateful, Lordship.